Hi, to welcome everybody, my friends. Today I will talk about my daily life routine on my job. I'm working in the lodge located in the Yasuni National Park in the Nyangu Community Territory. I'm working as a community guide. I usually wake up at 5 a.m. I am eat breakfast at 7 a.m. After that, I'm going to out in the take tourists from the lodge to different areas to visit in the surrounding. To go to the activities is important to bring different jungle gear and the thought light, machete, binoculars, laser point, and so on. Napa Wildlife Center Lodge. It is in the eco-friendly hotel with different accommodation cabins. 10 standard cabin in 10 suite. One of the most important low touristical attraction is the observation tower with a height about 37 meters. This tower has a beautiful view to the lake. There are different activities for the tourists around the lodge, like hike in the rainforest canoe, paragliding in the visit to the community Anyangu. Now I'm going to talk about how to hot, hotel distribute. On the first floor, we can find the dining room, the bar, and in the back the kitchen. Of the second floor, we have the boutique library in the presentation hall. Continuing going to up the next floor, we can find a restroom and viewpoint in the floor. Last floor, we have the platform with a panoramic view. Some animal can be seen the lake around like macaws flying, caiman and giant otter swimming in the lake, monkey jumping on trees. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.